Hello YouTubers, so today we're going to try something I saw from another YouTuber. He used Mother's mag and aluminum polish, no sanding required, to get the headlights clear. So we're going to try that today. Basically it's going to involve few applications and rubbing with the mag polish compound on the headlights, and that should in a few steps restore the headlights to new, or close. So we're gonna try that and get back to you and let you know how well it works. And again, that's the name of the product. Alright guys, so again, as with all DIY projects, fly at your own risk, and I'll catch you on the other side. Alright.